Hello everyone. Thank you for joining us and sharing your inspiring speeches in our competition. We're so thrilled to have determined such talent and dedication. Keep practicing and challenging yourself to grow even further. We wish you all the best in your journey ahead and keep up the great work. Good morning and
Morning.
thank you for having me here so I can participate in Unity Cup. I think I'm going to start my speech now about the miracle of friendship. One day, I was feeling blue. I was feeling upset. Like I had no purpose in life. I felt like that. But then, someone came into my life. Someone I called a friend. We had many times together, playing, talking, having the normal friend activities. And I slowly but surely forgot about my sadness. And I looked more joyful and I made more friends. Hi, I'm Elijas from Labschool Cibubur Middle School. I'm a happy person because I have a lot of friends. Is there anyone here who doesn't have any friends? I hope not. Because having friends is a wonderful thing. A friend, what is it exactly? And what's so important? Well, the importance of friendship is of course trust. Trust is being honest, reliable, and of course open to communicate with each other. Trust is also having the trust of friends with their secrets and other things you told them. Friends are also known to help you with emotional support. You can openly talk about your emotions with them and they will always try to find a way to help you. And finally, support. You could be in a soccer match, a basketball match, any type of match, and your friends will always try to find a way to support you. Now, that's a friend. But also, we know what it is, the importance of it, but what is it? Is it just someone who is always around you, every day, every hour, every second? Or is it someone who makes you smile a little wider every day? In my opinion, a friend is your dessert in a meal, a companion on your life quest, a guardian angel preventing you to do questionable choices. That's a friend. Now, don't you see how friendship can affect a person? A person could be feeling gloomy and mostly sad, but with a simple companion called a friend, they could feel as happy as the sun. Like the sun, friendship could be a source of warmth and comfort. A friend is someone who makes you laugh a little bit louder every day. That's a friend. And yeah, a friend is a wonderful thing, and without it, your life might feel incomplete. A friend is someone who gives you a glimpse of light in dark times. And a friend is someone who is here to help you every day. Now, I need to tell you something important. This is very important. Please be a good friend. So you can spread your positive energy to your other friends. And there's a slight chance, a tiny bit, that that friend that you gave your positive energy to might give it to another friend. So when you spread a positive energy to your friends, that other friend will spread the positive energy to that other friend. So that's friendship, the miracle of friendship. Thank you for listening to my speech, and I hope to see you later.
All right.
Thank you.